Welcome to tutorial 1E. This is an excellent opportunity to talk about the word fragment. You may have noticed in other courses or with your current instructor or perhaps with your manager at work that you may have submitted a piece of writing and you find when you get it back there's an F here, or maybe FRAG written down here, and you may have had it explained to you what that means, but I want to make sure that you do understand. These abbreviations are for the word fragment. So you already really, based on what we've been talking about, already know what a fragment is, although you may not know it using this term. So when we talk about a fragment, if this is a music admission ticket to get into a concert, if this is the whole piece and it works, I give this to them and I get in. But if on the way to the concert I happen to rip this going through a doorway and I end up with this piece only, then and I present this, this is not going to get me very far. It's not clear or complete. I won't get into the concert. So the same thing happens with sentences. If your sentence does not have a subject plus a verb, then it is going to be a fragment. It will be only a piece of a sentence. We know that the way to avoid writing fragments is to have a subject and a verb. So what's going to work will be Joe reads. We have a subject and we have a verb. This is a complete sentence. If, however, we were to write a sentence like this, Joe yesterday, we have a subject. We do have another word here, but it's a word that describes a day. It doesn't describe any action. There isn't a verb to link Joe to anything. We are wondering, what did Joe do yesterday? We don't know. So because it only has a subject, we say that this is a fragment. It's a piece of a sentence, and it doesn't make sense. We could say talked yesterday. And we can even put a nice capital at the front of talked and a period at the end. Talked yesterday. We all of a sudden have a question mark in our head. Who or what talked yesterday? It is not complete. It does not make sense. It has a verb, but it's missing the subject. Without the subject and the verb, we have a fragment.